Hello everyone. This video I'm going to talk about contract of bailment. So what is bailment? And bailment is derived from the French word bailer, which means to deliver. But in it is refers to the contract which result from the delivery of goods. In a contract of bailment, only possession is passed on, not to the ownership. So there cannot be a bailment of immovable property. So only movable property can be a contract with a bailment. So simply you can say that a bailment is a delivery of goods by a person to another for a definite purpose, on the condition that after the purpose is accomplished, the goods have to be returned. So you can say one definition for this. So according to the section 148, a bailment is the delivery of goods by one person to another for same purpose upon a contract that they shall, when the purpose is accomplished, be returned or otherwise disposed of according to the direction of the person delivering them. The person to whom they are delivery is called the bailee. So that from that definition you can understand the bailment means to deliver or to hand over. So bailment signifies the contract resulting from the delivery. It involves changes the possession and not transfer of ownership. In this contract there are two persons involving, that is bailer and bailee. The person who delivering the goods is called the bailer, and the person to whom the delivery is called the bailee. So the transaction between the bailer and bailment is called the bailment. Taking an example, X delivers a piece of cloth to Y, so a tailor, to be stitched into a shirt. It is a contract of bailment because X giving the pieces of cloth to Y, and after the stitching, and Y has to return the cloth to X. That is the contract between X and Y is called as a contract of bailment. Here the X is bailer and Y is a bailee. So taken another example, X deliver a watch to Y, a watch repair for repairs. So between them is contract is there, that is we can say it's a bailment. So gold given to goldsmith to make a ornament. So when a person find goods lost, an implied contract of bailment. So next we discuss about what are the essential of bailment. That first we can say it's a contract. So bailment is based upon the contract between the bailer and bailee. The agreement is that the goods are not to be have to be returned when the purpose is fulfilled. The condition is that goods should be returned either in their original form or altered form. So that there must be a contract between the bailer and bailer. And next we can say is a delivery of goods. So bailment involves changes of possession. It necessarily involves a temporary delivery of possession of goods by bailer to the bailee for some specific purpose is most important. And next we can say the delivery of possession of goods is of the following kinds. The actual delivery, when a goods are physically handed over to the bailee by the bailer, that we can say actual delivery. And then if the second we can say constructive delivery or symbolic delivery. So that is handing over the key of warehouses or document of title of goods. That is it may be a immovable property. Next we can say it's a delivery of goods must be for some purpose. So without purpose and there is no bailment, and we should have some specific purpose. When the goods delivery by mistake without any purpose, there is no bailment within the meaning of section 148. So delivery of goods must be for some specific purpose. And next I can say return of goods. So bailment is made for some purpose. After the accomplishment of the purpose, the goods should be returned to the bailer, to somebody according to the direction of the bailer, either in their original form or in an altered form. So these are the some important essential of bailment. Thank you.